Hey there guys, how's it going? I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to another video looking into how much YouTubers make. This video we're going to be taking a look at a channel called Crazy Cleaning Mama. And as the title suggests, we're going to be checking out how much they make on YouTube. So as of recording this video, the channel has amassed over 64,000 subscribers and over 7 million views across 151 videos. Now heading over to Social Blade's monthly stats viewer, we can see that they have an average of close to 7,000 views per day. We're going to take that amount and add it to Social Blade's money calculator along with YouTube's usual $5 CPM. CPM of course meaning cost per thousand views. This usually floats around $3 to $5 US but can fluctuate from $1 to 10 and sometimes even more. All of this depends on how well your channel is going. How many ads are in your videos, how many of those ads are received by your audience, how long they watch it for, and if they open it or not. But not just that, the country where your viewers are watching the videos from also affect your CPM. Now we're gonna leave this at a solid middle ground of $5 to avoid over or underestimating their earnings. Now looking at the results, we can see that Crazy Cleaning Mama earns an estimate of $35 daily, $1,050 monthly, and $12,600 projected yearly. All of this before YouTube takes its 45% share of that income, which leaves 55% to the content creators. So what we'll do is we'll be taking their estimated earnings and multiplying each of them by 0.55, giving us their total estimated income. Now with YouTube's 45% share taken into account, that leaves them with $19.25 daily, $577.50 monthly, and $6,930 annually. So thank you guys so much for watching and reaching the end of yet another video. Go ahead and check out Crazy Cleaning Mom on YouTube. They have amazing content over there for you guys to watch. And on that note, please don't forget to leave a like on this video if you did, comment down below what you think, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification for more videos just like this one. Cheers.